quotation marks and apostrophes in your Python string. So hi everybody, this is Sam with Python Basics, and today we're going to be looking at how to handle quotes and apostrophes in a string. So alright, let's just go ahead and get started. So if you're new here, thanks for joining us. This is what we do. We do micro videos. So alright, so make sure you're hitting that subscribe button and the notification bell. So right here, this is going to be throwing all kinds of errors. So here is one way to handle it with our escape character, our backslash. So now that works. I call, I get my don't. And now here is, it's meant to do this. There we go. I'm lazy. Okay, now the next one. So we got, that was our apostrophe. So now here he said, okay, and then we need I don't know. And we close this out so we have a single quotation mark and a double quotation mark. So when I run this, this gets handled because I started with my single, then I have my escape character, and then I do my double quotation. That's one way. And then, or another way, and then here's the old famous multi-line, so you don't have to think about anything. So it grabs everything. Now it doesn't matter what he said. Alright, does that make sense? So I could use single or double or a apostrophe. It does not matter at all. So like I was saying, a lot of really great questions that have been coming up on message boards, and it's actually been intriguing because it's gaps that I thought we had filled, but there were still some things out there. So here we go. This is great tools and great examples of how to handle quotation marks and apostrophes in your Python string. So please drop any comments, questions, or any video requests down below, and I'll get right to them. As always, guys, thanks for watching. Stay tuned, and we'll see you next time. Bye, guys. Hey, guys. Thanks for joining us today. I hope you really enjoyed today's video. And if you haven't, check out this video right here or this one right down here. And most important, make sure you're hitting this subscribe button and the notification bell. Thanks again for joining us, and we hope to see you next time. Bye, guys.